Today we're going to be doing an unboxing, a reveal, and with your help, a review of this new Louis Vuitton purchase. I've been a collector and admirer of Louis Vuitton for a very long time. So stick around to the end and you can help me decide if this bag is a keep or if it's an exchange. So completely spontaneous. I went into Louis Vuitton with the idea of having two pieces repaired. I had a toiletry 19 that the lining was starting to bubble. So I have asked them to replace the lining, replace the vachetta pull tab, and then replace the zipper pull, which had started to the gold tone was wearing off. I also took in my portemonnaie shilling, which is probably my favorite SLG. It's this great coin holder, coin case, and the glazing was starting to crack a little bit, I would say. So they're reglazing it for me. Now, while I'm waiting my turn in line for the repair associate, I happen to walk around the store. I'm just browsing, not here to really buy anything, but I thought, well, let me just see what they have. Let's see the new pieces. My sales associate, man, is she good. She chose her words so well, and what she said was, Chris, do you know there are only 13 of these left in the United States? Kapow! I had to buy this. Those words were so dangerous to me. I am a limited edition fanatic, and that just said, buy me. And guess what? I did. Look at the size of this box. Let me back up so you can see it. Hello. Let's open the box together. I'm going to open it and set the box aside. Look at the size of the dust bag. Woo! Envelope style, of course. You ready for our big reveal? You may not have seen these yet or at all. Suspense is killing you, I know. Hello, it is a Pochette Cosmos. Look at this bag. It has a high gloss glaze to it that is just stunning to me. This is one of Kim Jones's last collections he made before he left Louis Vuitton and went to Christian Dior to run their men's line over there. In my mind, it is a loss for Louis Vuitton because he has created some really great pieces. So this high gloss is just as smooth as can be. This is a very durable, I'm thinking very water resistant piece. If you got anything on it, I'm thinking a really just damp cloth or sponge would do a great job of cleaning this off. It is about, let me think of the size, 10 by 13. This could be a document case. It could be a modern briefcase. Gone are the days when we carried those suitcase-looking briefcases. We are above that now. This is 2019, so come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's take it up a notch or two. We have two zippers on here, the front zipper and the top zippers. They coordinate in that they are both black. And look at these zipper pulls. Can you believe this? Louis Vuitton thought that they were really pushing the envelope when they made their brass zippers and hardware and zipper pulls in coral or ruthenium. They did it. Or I should say, Mr. Jones, nice job. You can see it's this fantastic matte black, and look at the curve to this. Awesome. That is one spectacular piece on there. I'm going to get back to the point where I take the glare off of it so you can see the piece in its entirety. We have a 3-inch base which tapers down to essentially nothing at the top, which is of course what a pochette looks like. Inside a very roomy compartment. Let's see if I can get this open for us. This could hold anything. And then it has a really generous slip pocket as well. I have to admit, I was trying to decide if I was going to keep this or not. And I have an upcoming trip with my daughter. It's her 21st birthday, and we are going to Las Vegas. We're not gambling. We are going to Louis Vuitton. There are 7 Louis Vuitton in Las Vegas. Shut up. I can't even believe that. This is going to be my clutch for the trip. Can you see this with a cute pair of flats, some jeans, a hot little fun top? It's going to be great. But are you ready? Bam! Here it is. Louis Vuitton embossed in calf leather with this fantastic bold black font. I think this is one of the most amazing features of this pochette. I am enamored with this guy. So I'm so excited about this line, and all that's missing is the keep all. Can I say, Santa, please bring me the keep all? It would be so fantastic to have these 2 pieces together. Travel, travel, travel. That keep all with this clutch, hot, hot, hot. Hold on, I've totally forgot. The Pochette Cosmos comes in 2 different fabrics. It comes in a monogram titanium. It also comes in a dark infinity calf leather, which is an all over leather, which again is really pretty, but all leather doesn't work for me. This is just a stage in my life where I need durable. So I would love your comments down below. I would love it for you to subscribe so that you know when my new videos come out. I am currently in the mode where I'm releasing 1 video every day. It's kind of my New Year's, I don't believe in resolutions. I just call it a New Year's nudge, just to really get the word out on my collection and my love of luxury bags. Have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.